Stop kidding yourself. Most limited partners are stuck, buried under piles of reports, gutting through endless pitches, and still getting beaten by the market, by the founders, even by luck. It's maddening, right? You invest time, money, energy, but the returns don't match the effort. You feel like you're running in place while others somehow sprint miles ahead. And what's worse, the old rules don't work anymore. Blind trust in history, gut feelings, networks, all that feels thin, almost dangerous. You're left frustrated, pissed off, wondering if there's even a way out of the noise and the false promises. Guess what? There is. But it's not charity. It's not some lucky break. It's brutal, real, and it starts with how you handle one simple thing: your data. If you think data analytics is just fancy charts or some buzzword for geeks, you're doing it wrong. Real data work means tearing down the walls of traditional investing. It means stepping off the sidelines where you're guessing and jumping into the front lines with clarity. The biggest mistake most limited partners make is treating data like a report to skim, not a weapon to wield. You're sitting on a gold mine if you know how to connect dots the way few do. This means digging beyond just returns. Analyze founder behavior patterns, fund manager decision cycles, market signals that don't make headlines, but move early-stage valuations. It's about understanding who acts under pressure or who just follows the herd. Use predictive analytics on deal flow timing, not just past performance. Look for stress signs early: delays in funding rounds, changes in cap tables, shifts in advisor networks. These are signals screaming right at you, but most LPs ignore them. Here's what you have to do right now. Stop trusting the comfort of surface numbers. Start building a small but relentless analytics team or partner with people who live for this. No more gut calls alone. Then, use that insight to negotiate harder, commit smarter, and yes, pull out faster if the data screams danger. Don't be afraid of saying no when the crowd goes yes. That's how you protect capital. That's how you outperform. A detailed real-time dashboard, no fluff, tracking key performance indicators, but also behavioral flags, market movements, and founder signals will cut your losses and multiply your wins. But it doesn't stop there. Your network isn't just a phone book anymore. Graph your connections against real deal outcomes. Identify who's moving the needle, who's faking it, who's struggling in silence before it's too late. Then, double down on those rare relationships that keep cropping up in successful exits. That kind of insight only data can give you, and it hits where feelings and noise fail. Trust isn't just built on past returns anymore. It's earned daily through patterns you uncover invisibly to others. Don't just be another LP hoping for luck. Become a data hunter, a pattern reader, a deal optimizer. If you're willing to get uncomfortable, hire the best number crunchers who think like founders. Embed analytics into every step: sourcing, diligencing, managing, exiting. The world doesn't reward the passive anymore, and it never cared much for those who clap when things look good, but freeze when the storm hits. Here's the hard truth: you are missing out massively if you don't get ahead of this shift. Data analytics is your edge over facades, over noise, over gut-driven hype. It will make you ruthless and smart, not a victim of random swings. It will let you see the future of your investments before it's too late. You want to outperform? Then own your data like your capital depends on it, because it does. And remember this: no system, no expert, no token fund manager has your back like your own sharp focus on facts and real-time signals. Stop settling for wishful thinking. Start being obsessed with what the data quietly screams every day. That's the power you've been missing. Use it. Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.